Hello and welcome back to Ebenezer Cottage Garden. Today we're going to be looking at growing dwarf beans and how you can do it in a container if you're short on space. I like to think of dwarf beans as the problem solver plant. If you're on a windy site, the compact plants, which are only about a foot or so high, are nice and resistant against the strong winds. If you've got an empty gap in your vegetable bed and you just haven't got a little plug plant ready to go, you can dot in the seeds all the way up until September. But I think they're also really good fun if you're in a small space, perhaps on a balcony or a little patio area and you haven't got any beds. You can fetch yourself a plant pot around this size or bigger, or even perhaps just a little bit smaller to grow your dwarf beans in. So we're going to fill this up with compost and get sowing. I like to grow borlotti beans, personally because I like drying them, and I think they're also great to cook with fresh too. And the idea is with these, when you're in a container, ideally you want to be planting them about 6 inches apart. I like to also just pop one in the middle for good luck too. So you're nearly there, you've sowed your seeds. All you need to do now is water this thoroughly and you'll see your little seedlings pop up in about 8 to 14 days and you'll be cropping these into the autumn. This doesn't only work well with borlotti beans, you've got excellent varieties of French beans you can do this too, and just explore dwarf beans and see what you can find and discover for yourselves. Thanks for watching, do like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time when hopefully the weather's a little bit better out there.